Alright, we're at UW, and I guess this is the Geography and Science Hall, looks like. And look, used to be this really old birdcage elevator, but they modernized it. Still has the original shaft though, that's pretty neat. And look, there's the dial. Cab's been redone, of course. This would have been really cool to see the original, of course. Bottom drive. Motorroom is literally right there, I think. Yeah, 'cause look, it's just open. Anyway, up to 5. Not terribly fast.
Going down.
Oh well. I guess that goes. Oh look, the penthouse for the elevator's literally right up there.
Going down.
This is interesting, and look. The shaft is just all out in the open. That's cool though, look. Of course that light's there, blocking it, but I wonder if you can see down at all very well. No.
Going down.
Anyway. That's cool though.
Please stand clear of the closing doors.
Now it nudges.
Please stand clear of the closing doors.
Please stand clear of the closing doors. This side opens.
First floor rear.
Old radiator. Anyway, it's a shame it got mounted, but at least you can see what the original hoistway looked like. That's it.